Guys, welcome to Diani Beach in Mombasa. This is our penthouse, or rather Airbnb, that we are going to stay here for a couple of days here in Diani Beach. So this is our dining room over here. And this is the entrance door right there. And look at the windows, guys. I love it. We just arrived at night. And yes, this is what it says. The beach house rules that they have here. Look at that. All those rules. Look at this one. This thing has the candles, right? Candle holder. This is the stand right here. And they give you the Wi-Fi number. And of course they have a TV right there. And this is the dining area. And yes, we were eating yogurt because we were so starving, guys. Somebody was eating that and water. And this is the living area. Look at this. Oh my goodness, guys, Kenya is beautiful. Mama Africa here in Mombasa, Diani beach house. So they have a little setting here, chair at the corner right there. I don't know where the lighting is, but you can see. And in here, guys, they have a kitchen. That means when you come here, you can come here and cook, do whatever you want with this kitchen. Of course, we have our shopping little grocery here. I put some baby bananas, we have bread, we have some mango and other stuff. And yes, look at this kitchen right here. They have a stove right there. And of course, they have a little where you put trash. Little table here with a hot point right here, making your coffee. And of course we have our fridge. Look at the floor, guys. Wow. And yes, this is Umoto lifestyle. Guys, I love this kitchen. Of course we have this other yogurt that I need to put on the kitchen that we grabbed on the way. Of course they have a hot pot here and they have water. We bought this water for us because this room here, they don't have provide food, so you have to come with food. So let me take you here in this hallway. Guys, this is the downstairs bedrooms. Look at the wall. Oh my gosh, look at that. Diani Beach. Wow, look at this room. So let's see how many rooms they have here. Of course they have this one bedroom here. There's a bedroom here. Let me see if I can open it. Look, guys, wow, look at this bedroom. Oh, they have a fan here. Of course, look at the bed. Very nice. And they have a net right there. They have a mirror, a side table, guys. Look at this. Wow, look at it. Look at this. And the side table, they have a little mat here. And the room looks amazing, guys. Another side table with a mat. Amazing. So I love this Diani Beach house. Of course they have a little closet here. They have so plenty here. You can put your clothes. And guys, I love this room. I tell you. So let's turn this off. Let's go to this room over here. It has a bathroom that comes here, so you can use this bathroom. Look at this bathroom, guys. I love it. The shower in there, the toilet, of course. Look on the floor. They have this beautiful mat here. This is a laundry basket, toilet holder. Of course, they have curtains. There's a window behind there. Oh my goodness, Mama Africa, Kenya. Look at that. I love it. And of course, that's Umoto lifestyle right there. Enjoying Mama Africa, Kenya here in Mombasa in Diani Beach. Guys, Google Diani Beach and let me know what you think with the white sand. Oh my goodness. Diani is one of the best beaches here, and I can say in the world, okay? So, yeah. So let me take you to another bedroom. This is, I guess, look, before the bedroom, look at this corner right here. My gosh, I love it, this side corner here. They have these little decorations. And let me take you to master bedroom where Umoto lifestyle is going to sleep. Of course, here, I put my luggage down here and look at the bed. Oh my goodness, I just turned on the fan because I feel like it was a little warm. So, but look at the bed, guys. This is the fan right here. And look at the window. I've pulled the curtains and the side table right there and the mat on the floor. Guys, oh my goodness. Hey, let me take my socks out of the bed. Another side table right there. Look what they have here on the wall. Ah, look at this wall. Wow, wow. So in here, guys, they have the bathroom. Let me open the door so that you can see the bathroom in here. Look at the master bathroom. My goodness, look, the moment you enter in, you are being welcomed with this beautiful mat right there where you hang your coat, jacket, whatever you want to hang here. They have this laundry basket here at this corner. Look at the white tiles, amazing. Over there in the corner there's a window and I pull the curtains. Look at the toilet. My goodness, the shower is showering right there. Beautiful. Of course they provide you with towels. And look at the sink for her and him. So guys, I put my stuff right there. I'm about to take a shower because we just arrived, guys, and it's a little bit late. So your girl, she's gonna take a shower. But guys, I just wanted to give you this glimpse of this Airbnb in Diani Beach. My goodness, guys, I love it so much. So let me close the door. Let's just go out here so that I can take you upstairs, guys. Let's go. So we go here. Let's go back to this hallway so that we can go upstairs. I love it so much. So we go this way. Guys, do you see what I see? Beautiful home, beautiful home. They have another decorations right there, which we didn't see. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yes, and of course we put our shoes down here, right here. And now let's go. Let me put my son's shoes right here. Let's go upstairs. Look at this, more bedrooms up there. Let's go. Let's go up here. Guys, I love this wooden stairs and the staircase. Look at that, very good. It looks amazing, guys. Oh my goodness, look at it. Before we see the bathrooms, because I think my boys are taking a shower, let me show you this kitchenette. They have a little kitchen here. Look at it, beautiful. So in the sense that if you live here upstairs, because this bedroom has 8 beds, so you can imagine. So they have a little fridge there. They have little drawers here, kitchen here, and drawers here, guys. Lots of drawers where you can put your stuff, and the fridge as well, very nice. So you can imagine my kids. This looks like these are the people who have stayed here in this. I feel like I can put mine. If I had mine, I'll put this one. Yeah, look at that. I wish I had a light to see what they say. My kids, something like my kids. So somebody's memory over there. So this is upstairs, guys. You can imagine. And over here, you can look down. That's the dining area, sitting area, the bedrooms on the other side, and the TV here. Yes. And now let's see upstairs. When you come upstairs, guys, you're welcomed with this gigantic king-size bed in the middle of nowhere. Very beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. So they have this little mat here, very fancy. And of course they have this stand here, acting like a closet, wherever you can put your whatever you need in there. Of course, look, one of my family members already taken this bed. They put their stuff there, so you can imagine. So yes, of course, when I came to Africa, Kenya, I have to travel with family because the main point that I came here is family. So whenever I go somewhere, I have to go with my family members who are available. They have another mat here, and of course they have a side table right there. They have this open area which you can open the door, which will open tomorrow, and then you go that way. Of course, here they have this flowering thing, and yes, they have this little sitting area for the upstairs. And of course on the other side they have this bed chair. This chair, you can turn it into a bed if you have so many people, family members here, but you can turn it into a chair, and at the same time it's going to be a bed. Guys, you let me know what you think about this gigantic house in Diani Beach in Mombasa, Kenya. Okay, Mama Africa, you know your girl, she'll show you everything. Of course, this is one of my boy's bedroom. I don't know if he's here. I may not record him, but I'm gonna record on the side so you can see. This is his bathroom right here. Look at the bathroom, it's so good. Oh my goodness, look at these mats on the floor. Look at the sink, the mirror. Everything looks amazing. Look here on top of here. Oh my goodness, they have these towels, the shower, everything, the mat, the floor. It looks amazing, guys. So this is one of my boys' room right now. He chose this room. He loves it so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and record this way. So my baby was here, but I think he's gone somewhere. But he has already set his stuff here in his bed. Look at the bed. I love it so much. Look at it. This is my baby's bed right now, for now. So he has a little mat here. He put his stuff here. Look at the window. Very nice. So you can tell how cute it is. So he has a little closet here and a hanger here to put clothes. And the room looks amazing. And oh my goodness, guys, look at this room. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let me go to another bedroom for my other baby in here so that you guys can see. Another room is here, but unfortunately my baby is asleep. But the room looks exactly identical as the same room that I showed you, and the bathroom is in here. Hey, but tomorrow I'll be opening the door when he's awake so that I can show you the room. Guys, let me know what you think about this area or this Airbnb. Beautiful, beautiful.